Hey there, cake lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cake making. And we've got some delicious recipes for you to try. First up, we've got a classic vanilla cake recipe that's perfect for any occasion. It's light, fluffy, and absolutely scrumptious. Next, we've got a chocolate cake recipe that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. It's rich, moist, and oh so chocolatey. For those who love fruity flavors, we've got a strawberry cake recipe that's bursting with freshness. And for those who prefer something a little more unique, we've got a carrot cake recipe that's packed with flavor and texture. Now, let's talk about the icing. We've got a simple buttercream recipe that's perfect for any cake, as well as a cream cheese frosting recipe that's perfect for carrot cake. We hope you enjoy these recipes as much as we do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more delicious cake making tips and tricks. Happy baking, everyone!
Gracias.